The master bathroom
Mommy!
is amazing.
Mommy,
Look
look
at
at
this soaking. Look at the Rama's excited for a soaking bathroom.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Look up, we are here. So we are away here in Orlando to celebrate our this birthday party weekend. So we are at this beautiful, amazing condo. I'm gonna give you guys a tour, and tomorrow we'll be heading to the volcano bay to explore and swim and have all this fun stuff to do tomorrow for his birthday. So I am super excited. Right now I'll be giving you guys a tour and I'll see you guys later.
Okay. Welcome to Vista K. Entrez-vous, s'il vous plaît.
It's near the gym, right? 5 minutes away.
You want?
Room tour.
This is amazing, everybody. This looks so.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. That place looks amazing. Hi.
And also, it has a lot of things. I can't believe this.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hi. There's a balcony here where you get to see.
The master bathroom
Mommy!
is amazing.
Mommy,
Look
look
at
at
this
this.
soaking. Look at the Rama's excited for a soaking bathroom. Bathtub. And look, it has a separate handheld thing while you're
Oh
bathing.
my god, this is sick.
This
I'm
needs-
taking it back
Oh,
tomorrow.
you got it first?
Yeah.
You take it back tomorrow. I'll take it back tonight.
And then this is
Maybe tonight. Let's do it.
and then this is the toothpaste, and this is the
beautiful.
And then this bathroom.
What do we have here? There.
And here's the bathroom. It's no door.
No, no, Mama, we don't touch the toilets.
And then there's this kind of road that's
Straight to the beach.
straight to the beach. And then there's that beach.
Palm trees.
Wow.
Palm trees. And then
This is gorgeous.
It's all recently renovated.
Yeah. I mean,
And look at this mirror.
wow, that is so cool.
Touchscreen mirror.
And then let me show you something very quick.
Okay, now start getting food ready.
And then guess what? Look. Mom,
What do you think of the lights, madam?
Look at my eyes. Look up. I can do Morse code with this thingy. Look. Dot. Dash. Dot.
That's cool, huh?
Mommy.
Yes, baby girl.
Yeah, see that?
So this is it for the house tour. I actually hope you guys really did like it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.